I really like making the Mrucha Beauty website, where I just talked about how there are a few things which I think are wrong, and because I liked doing that, I'm going to make another video. If you think I sound like I've been screaming on top of my lungs, that is true, I did, but that was around 15 days ago. Anyways, I'm not going to bother you with my face but with my voice. Let's get started and see a few things which I think are very fishy in a website. Oh, not really fishy, but I'll try to not comment on the co-founder or like the people in the business, and just the website. Okay, so this is the growth square. So first of all, just black and green looks a lot like stock market. Real time data is 16 Jan. Oh, it's 24th. Oh, okay. What? So this is like a good design, right? This sticks with how it should be. There's below the fold and above the fold wala. So this kind of does force you to go look at things, right? So that is what is happening. So there's a lot of, they've worked with these people or what? I think that's the clients. Okay, cut through the noise. Our team helps you stand out. And okay, sure. So if you don't already know, I had this batch, and it's abhi to I don't know when they last did update. Yeah, so then they didn't really update it because LinkedIn का जो ये yellow या golden badge होता है is now they are just not giving that. It's just stopped completely, and anyone can get this badge if they just keep on contributing like 3 or 4 times, even if it is just chat GPT replies. A lot of like bento boxes is what they have. It says 200 plus clients here, but mm, then it says 150 clients. So is it which is just confusing, like what what is this then? 3 years, and there's 150 clients in 3 years, or 200 plus clients in 3 years? Okay, so you see this entire thing is rotating, but if you would notice, this moves very fast, and the reviews look a lot like the team of the growth square ended up giving these reviews to them, because everything just starts with Vedika, 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 right? It's like everything that you've seen is literally Vedika. And I am going to let Satyam go outside of the screen so that you would know the problem that I have with the review section. And then I go to Neeraj, and it's back again to Satyam. So what is wrong? And I cannot possibly read this all at once. So there should have been a navigation bar, right? Yeah, that is that. And what information is found incorrect? Eh? What information? Please enter the correct information. Name, email ID, phone number. We prioritize client privacy. Profiles are caricaturized. I just noticed. So if you see Saurabh has a normal circle wala thing. But then Satyam has this wide outline. And this happens only with Satyam. So what is it? What is it with Satyam being highlighted like that? Overall, just I just don't like the vibe of this website. I do not know what is the exact reason, but yeah, that is what I feel about it. This is like bullshit. Let me tell you that, from someone who read through this, because I was super duper excited. I was elated. There is, I think, on all my socials, I have this as a post that I finally got it. It was for web development. You see, like top web development. I have it. I have a screenshot of this. Follow me on LinkedIn if you don't follow me already. But yeah, yeah, very very strange, and they really didn't update this, did they? Talking about the trends or how this is made, there's a lot of bento sections. Like you see, this is a bento, this is also bento, highly recommended, this that, सबने सिर्फ Vedika से start किया है भाई. Clients are obsessed with Vedika or something, not sure. And from what I've seen, Vedika is the face of the brand. So yeah, that is all that I had for this video. There are going to be a few more videos coming where I am going to talk about a few scammers and a few courses that you're not supposed to take, few videos that you have to take with a pinch of salt, because I can see who they are targeting and I can see how that can influence someone, because they really did influence me when I was in my college. So yes, that is it for this video. I am active on my socials again, which is the surprise, I know, but yes, do follow me there. I'll see you guys in another one. Bye bye.